How to add dark mode in the WordPress website. Want to improve your website's accessibility? Dark mode is a must-have. I will show you this step-by-step tutorial. How to add dark mode to the WordPress website. Let's get started. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to the plugin menu and click on Add New Plugin. In the search bar, type WP Dark Mode. Click on Install Now. Activate the plugin and click on Activate. Go to the plugin settings. Enable front-end dark mode. Click on Customization, select Switch Settings. Enable Display Floating Switch. Choose the style of the floating toggle switch. Click on Save Changes. Visit your website, check Toggle Dark Mode on and off. Thank you for watching our tutorial on adding a dark mode to your WordPress website. We hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this.